Okay, I'm out here at the back of my yard with the pump, water pump here. It's a Pentair, it's a brand new one, I don't know, 3 months old, but it vibrates, and I'm going to turn on low speed here. Yeah, you hear that? And there's a vibration to it. You can feel that it's like not round, you know, it's not true, like a wheel. It's not squeaking, like it's not firmly planted on the ground or anything. It definitely sounds internal. I'll ramp up the RPMs a little bit. It goes away, but I just think it's spinning faster, so it kind of diminishes in sound. Can't really tell it's vibrating here. Tell there? No, it's hard to tell. As I move up the RPMs, I just think it becomes so loud you can't hear it. There it is again. So that's the noise.